What is Hd0 And Sda / Sdb in Linux? I'm completely new to Linux, and am using Ubuntu 10.04. I'm confused when to use what, HDX, Y, to represent which hard drive. I have two hard drives. The first one is identified as /dev/sda in this utility, and that's where I installed my old Windows 7 RC, unused. The second one is /dev/sdb where I install my Ubuntu in /dev/sdb7 and /dev/sdb8 swap and XP in /dev/sdb1. Now if I want to play around with Ubuntu's grub, what HDX, Y should I use? For now, I want to install Berg, and I read the installation step in a website that I have to type Berg install Hd0 to install Berg to the Hd0 but I'm just unsure. I'm afraid it'll mess everything. So, how can I know which hard disk is Hd0, Hd1, or Hd01, etc.?
When grub probes devices, it makes a device.map file. You can find this in the same directory as your grub.conf. It will look similar to this. You are free to modify this as you see fit anytime. Read more here. Update, October 21, 2015. This answer was originally written for grub 0.9x, which is not under active development and is now referred to as grub legacy. If you are using a version of grub 2.x, you want this page with details and advice on device mapping.
Grub does not make any difference between SCSI and I devices in its naming convention. The difference is only at the operating system level. In fact, if you go to the grub command line mode, you will be able to try the devices available by tabbing. Refer this article for a nice grub tutorial.
We'll show you something like this. We'll show something like this, and more. Now you know for sure, Hd0 equals Sda, Hd1 equals Sdb, Hd2 equals Sdc.
Grub device names can be confusing, but you can use the Linux device name and let grub figure it out. Like this.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.